everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the month of May in my B6 Rings planner using the B6 month kit by SweetNanaShop. Like I said, my name is Megan. I craft with all different kinds of art media, from planners to art prep journal books to lots more. So if you're interested in seeing what I create, you can check out the description box below. There are different playlists to each category of planning and crafting for you to browse. Like I said, this is a kit by SweetNanaShop. I absolutely love her shop. I cannot wait to show you guys more from her soon. But this is the B6 month kit. This is the first time I'm trying out her B6 month kit, so y'all, I'm sorry if this does not fit the B6 Rings planner, but like I said, this is my first time trying it out, so take it easy on me. If you guys want to get some stickers from SweetNanaShop yourself, you can use my code MEG15. It will save you 15% off of your order from her Etsy, and you will get my adorable freebie. It's got all the cute things in it, and I am obsessed. So, like I said, that is what we're working with. I also have some more of this spring collection in my SweetNanaShop book. This is actually a sticker book you can get from her shop. It's so cute. Look, it's a little planner girl. It's so adorable. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I was looking for this kit. That's what I was doing. This is everything. If it'll come out perfect. Okay, so we're going to use some of the rest of that stuff as well. But let's go ahead and jump into this planner. Now, I did do a little bit of updating on here, so I will show you guys that. There we go. This is also a little charm from SweetNanaShop. It's Chloe. That's the dog's name. This is from SweetNanaShop. These are from SweetNanaShop as well. So, I did do a little bit of an update on my planner. I actually do, you haven't seen it yet, but you will. I will show you guys the sections I set up because I have added the tabs on here. There's a section here and a section in the back. So, I will share that in the video that you will see hopefully next week, I believe is when I'm having it come out. So, you guys will see that. But we're going to go ahead and show you what I was talking about. So, my monthly section, I've got my currently, which I never filled out, sorry, this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is my sticker a day challenge. So every single day I will put a sticker down to what's happening in the day. So for example, I was recovering from surgery still, and I had a really bad incision day pain there. So I put, you know, a sticker related to that and just did all of that. Here I had lots of food, I had lots of sneaky snackies, and we did lots of filming and batch editing this day. So lots of just basic little different things. And I have a plan with me on this if you want to see that, as well as, let me find it. Oh, it's in March. This spread here, this was part of our books YouTube collab loop group video, but for May, I am doing something different. I'm going to do something different with these pages because in the previous time I was doing like currently and things like that, but we're not doing that this time. We're doing something different. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you in this video, but I will show you. Yes, okay. I was like, what are we doing? So we're going to set up the monthly first, and then we'll go to the pages that are on the other side. So, our monthly. Let's set the days down first. Looks like this is perfect for a B6 month. Like I said, this is my very first time using a B6 planner, so, or a kit from SweetNanaShop. So I like to try out different things. I'm very weird like that. I mean, I guess I'm not weird, but I like to try out different things. I need my scissors. Okay. So I'm gonna put the rest of the month or the week down first, and then going to do a little sticker surgery here just because in normal, you know, planners, the sidebars over here, that is not her fault for the way this is. created. And I'm actually going to grab one of these because I will not need that. Ooh, there it is. Okay. We'll just put that one there too, because we're going to take this guy and put him on the sidebar, because we won't need the sidebar. Ooh, actually, let go. Let's try it this way, because we can cut off the road if we need it to be cut off. Boop, there we go. That way I can put the month right there. And then we should probably put the days down before we add all of the other stickers. So this month ends on a Tuesday, so we are going to start the first on a Wednesday. So let me put these dates down. Alrighty, so now I'm going to complete the sidebar with this. Okay. And let go. Okay. And there. Okay. That is cute. So we have a couple of stickers from the collection. I actually used this in a spread. Actually, you know what? Because this is my sticker a day, I don't know if I want to cover anything else up. So let's put from Shine Sticker Studio, or yeah, Shine Sticker Studio. Okay, there's that. That's cute. That's fun. I like it. Okay, now let's go into the other page, and this is going to be where I'm going to do a monthly sticker challenge. And I think what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to line the top of the spread right here with that extra piece, and these two, so that I can write sticker challenge. And I'm going to put her here and maybe Poe there. I kind of like that. So I follow a lovely lady on Instagram known as Bless Your Heart Stickers. And I have been wanting to do her monthly sticker challenges for a while. And since this is, and I changed my planner lineup, and you'll see a video on that coming up very, very soon. But this is now my catch-all planner rather than my weeks being my catch-all planner. And this is going to be where I'm going to do that monthly sticker challenge. And I just feel like it is the perfect opportunity for the monthly sticker challenge to go here. And I don't know, I feel like it would be a fun opportunity. I want her somewhere. So we're going to scooch May over just a smidgen, and she's going to go here. Because I already pulled her off and I needed to find a place for her. So this is going to be the sticker challenge. So for the month of May, I don't know if she came out with her month of May yet, But her month of April, for example, is, and I will put it on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. For the month of April, we've got Puzzle Piece, Rain, Puppy, Lamb, Charcuterie Board, Scrabble Game, Sandwich, Watering Can, Bird Nest, things like that for the sticker challenge. So if you've ever seen Plans in the Makings sticker challenge where she does one every single, like a sticker challenge every season, that's what I'm doing. That's what I want to do here because I've been doing it in my weeks and I like it, but I want to do it in this planner as well, and just switch it because this is my currently planner now. So that's my goal, my thought in doing this is to just have a little fun with my planner. I'm just kind of adding these little tulip things here just because I think they're cute and fun, and I think the spread needed a little bit of extra fun in here. So, all right. And then I have all of these. So what I'm going to do with these is I will save them for something else. Actually, we have some special things going on this day that I need to make sure I mark. Okay. May 27th is Memorial Day. So I'm pretty sure that the 28th is the day. And if it's not, then I will just move this sticker over. But I'm pretty sure the 28th is the day. And then, yeah, because the 27th is Memorial Day. Trying to figure out, I don't remember what we were doing. You know what? I can't remember it right now, so I'll add it later, but I'm going to put these, you know what we're going to do? We're going to take this one, and I'm going to put this here, okay? And then I'm going to take this one, I'm going to put this here. I will be doing a plan with me on the sticker challenge so you guys can see what I'm talking about. If you've seen my winter sticker hunt challenge video that I did, that was the Plans in the Making video. Like that's this video I was talking about, the sticker hunt challenge that she does. That was me doing my version of it. So if you wanted to see kind of what I'm talking about, if you're waiting on me uploading that video, then you can check that video out. But that's it, guys. This is the, like, before the month section here. And then you have the month section for the month of May. I love this. This is so cute. And what I was saying was I'm going to cut this out and put it in the book for, you know, my reusable sticker book, so that I'll have that just for purposes, you know, if I get this kit again, I want to have that just in case. So let's put this in the planner. Here is the month of May before the pen, and then our spread before the pen. I'm very excited about this. This is super cute. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. If you are interested in seeing any of my B6 planner videos, I have an entire playlist related to this planner. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I will be sharing an update on what I have done in this planner so far as like adding new things to it since the last time you saw it. So keep an eye out for that. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on.